Alien. A creature from another planet. The cartoon showed a friendly alien visiting Earth. Vocabulary. Meaning and simple sentence. Acrobat. Someone who performs impressive tricks and moves. The acrobat flipped through the air. Animal. A living creature that can move, eat and grow. My favorite animal is panda. Axolotl. A small animal that lives in water and looks like a fish with 4 legs. The axolotl lives in water. Alien. A creature from another planet. The cartoon showed a friendly alien visiting Earth. Ajar. Slightly open. The door was left ajar, letting in a bit of fresh air. We always lift the door slightly ajar for them. Apparel. Clothing and outfits. The store sells a wide range of stylish apparel. Academy. A school or institution for learning and education. I am excited to go to music academy to learn to play the piano. Adventure. An exciting journey or experience. Going on a camping trip is always an adventure. Afloat. Floating on water. The toy boat stayed afloat in the pond. Amiable. Friendly and pleasant. The neighbor greeted me with an amiable smile. Antique. A very old and valuable item. My grandmother's antique lamp is beautiful. Astonish. To greatly surprise or amaze someone. The magician's trick astonished the girl. Astray. Lost or off the right path. The hiker went astray and had to find the trail again. Annoy. To bother or irritate someone. Loud noises annoy me when I am trying to read. Artifact. An object made by people long ago. The museum had ancient artifacts on display. Array. A large group of things. There was an array of colorful flowers in the garden. Amuse. To make someone laugh or smile. The clown's funny tricks amused the children. Astonishment. A feeling of great surprise. I started in astonishment at the fireworks. Adopt. To take someone or something as your own. We decided to adopt a puppy from the shelter. Alphabet. The set of letters used to read and write the words. I am learning the alphabet at school. Arm. The part of the body that connects the shoulder to the hand. I can lift my arm to wave hello. Aviator. A pilot who flies an airplane. My uncle is an aviator who travels around the world. Applause. The sound of people clapping their hands to show appreciation. The audience gave a loud applause after the performance. Annual. Happening once a year. We have a family picnic as an annual tradition. Awake. Not asleep. I woke up early and felt fully awake. Amiable. Friendly and likable. The new student had an amiable personality. Avid. Very enthusiastic about something. She is an avid reader who loves book. Arctic. Extremely cold, relating to the North Pole region. Penguins live in the Arctic. Apprentice. Someone who learns a skill from a master. I am an apprentice learning to bake. Assist. To help or support someone. Can you assist me in carrying this heavy box? Aloha. A Hawaiian word that means both hello and goodbye. I greeted my friend with a cheerful aloha. Assemble. To put things together to create something. Let's assemble this puzzle to see the picture. Admire. To look at something with wonder and respect. I admire the colorful flowers in the garden. Agile. Able to move quickly and easily. The cat is agile and can jump high. Appetizer. A small dish served before the main meal. I love eating cheese sandwich as an appetizer. Aloud. Speaking or reading something out loud. He read the story aloud to his little brother. Anxious. Feeling worried or nervous. I was anxious before taking the test. Adorable. Extremely cute and lovable. The kittens at the pet store are so adorable.